Okay, it's recording. June 20th, 2030.
So, how did this all start?
Well, I was young. Back in 2017, my friend contracted the virus from a needle. And what happened after that? His life was never the same. I can still hear his farts dashing in the wind. There's no laughing matter. Sorry, I'm just getting emotional here. Yeah, his life was never the same. I attended his funeral last week. I think if I remember, 5 or 6 people have gotten this virus. They were all recorded, sent to a facility, locked up, except for me. That's why I'm here.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your time.
Oh, not a problem. Remember, we never had this discussion. Son, what are you doing?
Oh, hey.
Son!
What are you doing here?
Son, give me that!
What? It's my peanut butter, man. I was thirsty.
My friend, he drank this back in 2017. This is what killed him!
Calm down, dude. I was just thirsty. Jeez. Don't even worry about it. Alright.
Come sit down here, buddy.
Thank you. That's a very kind gesture.
We can't have you on the loose. You have it, 100%. You have diarrhea dirt syndrome.
I can't reach the snacks. Can you hand to me?
Dude, you gotta take this seriously. I've seen a lot of people die from this. And diarrhea dirt syndrome, 99% chance you'll die.
You don't mean it. You're just joking. Now pass me the snacks. Come on.
No, you cannot have anything. You can, if you start farting, we're all done. I luckily recovered from this,
Hey, it's not.
but all the others didn't.
Dude, my farts aren't that bad. Come on, dude.
Just don't fart. You might be fine.
It was just worth it. Sorry.
Okay.
Oh!
What's happening? No! 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 Wake up! Wake up! Ruin it! What's happening?
Hey, cameraman. I fainted.
What's doing it? It's happening!
The room's getting brown.
What do I do?
The dust storm. Hey,
We gotta get him to the throne!
the camera and the dust storm.
Oh, shoot!
Get out of here.
We gotta get out!
No, not you. You stay.
Ah!
I'm sorry, son. Yes, we're exposed to it. We are exposed to it.
No. No.
I feel guilty. I've lived a long life. Do you think we should save him?
We have to. We can't let him.
He's young.
We can't let him die. No, this isn't okay.
No, I'm going in. Stay behind me.
I'll stay behind.
That was so important. My stomach.
I can't see. I'm blind.
I'll help you. Ow! God! It's too much.
Son.
I need to wipe.
The dust is clearing up. The dust is clearing up.
I wiped it off.
It's too much.
Cameraman.
Oh,
Jack,
my
let's do
stomach.
this.
Something big's
Jack.
coming.
Jack, I know a lot about this virus.
What?
What you need to do to get rid of it, you need to fart on someone else.
Oh!
Fart on me, Jack. I will get it. And you will not have it anymore.
Jack, we gotta get out. Close it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Jack, are you okay?
Okay.
What's happening in there?
Wait, hold on. Hold on a second. Don't open the door.
We gotta go in.
He's alive.
We gotta go in.
He's alive. Ethan. Oh, this stinks. Ethan. Ethan.
Jack.
Ethan. Are you okay? Ethan, come to me, man. Come to me.
Just poo all over the.
Jesus, out of here.
Jack, I only wanted to save you.
You did. You saved us
Listen
all.
to me. This will be the last time you hear from me.
No, it won't. We're gonna get you fixed up. Don't worry.
I'm sorry.
No.
You did good.
Ethan?
No.